Here live 14th 14th of August 2021. Herdsmen they have blocked Benin.
Hello my people from Untouchable Mama, I greet the full house. Also now they fine, una do well. As una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I appreciate una well well. Una do well for my body. My people, this video one and dey see, so I'll put the full video. May we just talk a little bit. This video, now those people where they come from travel, then this one na road for Benin to Aunchi road. Hey, now wow. Fulani herdsmen don block road. They don block road. This man where the video so they talk and say, since 8 o'clock na dem dey there, no move, no comot, nothing. All of them just stand by for there because of all these Fulani herdsmen. Dem block the road. My people, where the country dey go? Where the country dey go, we no know. Fulani herdsmen again. Hey, we don tire. Even the country even sef don tire for wetin dey go on. Normal country like this, how Fulani herdsmen go block road? People dey wey dey come for travel, wey never even reach house. Like people wey dey come from abroad now, wey wan go house, wey from Lagos, e just come down for flight, e dey come home. E go dey there now. We no know the time wey dem go take free the road. No security, no light, no good road, nothing good for the country. Nothing good for that country. The truth na e good make we dey talk am sometimes. E dey bitter and e dey pepper. Sometimes e good make we still dey talk am. Person wey stay for flight for 6 or 8 hours, say e go home, e go dey road like this. My brother, my sister, next time you go say you go again. Even the stress wey you go take pack your load, say you wan go visit Nigeria, make you go see your people, then you come reach Lagos. Now you take bus, because not be everybody get money to take flight. You just see some people now, they will go with their family. They not just fit just say okay, dem be 5 or 6, make dem just buy flights, make dem go where dem dey go. Some go say okay, make we just still take bus. Not be everybody get money to take flight, take go. They just dey there. Fulani, when you just dey go now, no, the road not good though. Okay, you go see, make you still manage am. Okay, make you still enter, make you manage am. When you see dey go now, Fulani herdsmen, they will come block road. You not go dey there. Or sometimes they say that they stay even 5 hours, 6 hours. They will dey there before they will come free. Before they will come out from there. Those people now, before they will come reach house, next time go think am before you go home. Wetin be all this? We dey the country, we dey suffer. We still comot say okay, maybe we go strong o. When you go come still dey come again, hypertension go come dey hold you. Before Fulani go come do their own, light no dey, you no sleep for night, mosquito go eat you. Water na you, if you no get your water na you and your own. Light no dey, nothing dey. Na generator na you go come on for the way go come dey make gbugbu for inside your brain. The country tire everybody, not be only even the country sef don even tire, because all our leader, they no care. The truth, they no care. Like say they care. All these things wey we dey do, wey we dey talk, wey people dey video, they no blind. They dey see. Then they see why be say that Nigeria country just be like that. Many people dey run comot from Nigeria, they go Ghana wey near us for there. They go say if you reach Ghana even better pass our own country. Ghana, that time we drive Ghana people, make them go. Ghana must go. We drive them comot. See our country now. See as e be. My brothers and sisters, me I no understand all this thing. No, this one no be the first time where they block road. Most all the time. Some people dey video, some not dey video. They'll just dey there, beer, stay for there. Some go stay 3 hours, 4 hours. They'll just dey there, stand by. They go even dey fear for their life. You go dey fear, say you dey go your own country. Fear not let you say you want go there. Say normally you supposed to dey happy. Say, oh, I want go meet my people. I dey happy. I want go my country. But no, wow, your mind go just fair fly comot. You go just fair lose 3-4 kilo before you reach house. You go lose am before you reach house. Till when you go reach your domot, then you go say hallelujah, you don reach house. If you still dey inside car, something fit happen. They fit jump come out for inside bush. Hey, my people, no be small thing. No be small thing for that country, eh? The leader, they no care, oh, nobody care, oh, nobody care. No security, nothing. If you dey here, you are free. Waka as you like, go anywhere where you like. But if you dey go awa, your mind gonna make go dey get us. Now what for the country, my people. Now cause where many people know they want me, then they go home. No be say the money no dey with them, or no be say the document no dey. They'll just come see the stress, everything, see the video where then they see. Go say no, me I just fair wait. Maybe it go better. Maybe next year it go good. Now like the worst. It the worst. Since we say it go better. It no gree better, oh. All these leaders, they not throw away, they comot them for there. It no go better, oh. Because their brain, na old men brain, that they use. Make you see Buhari where they lead the country. Buhari get brain don old. Na person they old, na so the brain they go. It go they old. Wetin that one get to do for the country? Now it cause all these things. All these old leaders, they need to wipe them comot before the country go come better. Otherwise, e no go better. Now as we just be, go worse past. E go the worst every blessed day. Now we go dey hear different news for all corner. Different news for all corner. Wetin go happen today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, every day. Nothing good dey come out for them. Till all these bad leaders, they not come out for seats. Nothing good go come out for that country. Na the truth, eh? E bitter, but na the truth. Me, I put the video, Mona watch am, Mona help me share am. God go bless una. One love, my people.
Here live, 14th, 14th of August, 2021. Herdsmen, they have blocked Benin Auchi Expressway. Here we are, passengers here and there. Like me, I'm in a public vehicle from Auchi to Benin to quickly meet up with one thing or the other. We are here at Ura, a Benin kingdom. The kingdom of Benin. It's a shame. Well, God help us. How the Benis conquered a lot of places. Even the Fulani could not conquer Benin kingdom in the old time. But here we are. They are here, just close to Ura. This is Saint Benedict Catholic Church in Ura. We are here, I think, for some time now.
What kind of country are we?
It's somehow God will help us. Today, 14th. Look at it. We just pray that the security agencies will quickly help us. This is about to 8. It's just 8 o'clock now. We've been here. Fulani herdsmen. Look at. To Benin. We are in Ura. Look at it in Ura, in Benin. Some foxmen just passed here and a vigilante.